We're here at the Druva booth with Stephen Manley, who is from Druva, and Henry Axelrod, who is a colleague from AWS. Gentlemen, welcome.
It's great to be here.
All right, Druva's all about data protection. So, Stephen, tell us, for the modern enterprise, modern company, what does modern data protection look like?
Modern data protection revolves around three things. It's simplicity, it's scalability, and it's security. And you want, really in the modern world, you want to be able to go to a SaaS application to get that simplicity so that you can then meet your governance requirements with compliance regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and then unleash the value of the data to be able to access it to do more things like search, analytics, disaster recovery. So modern data protection, it's all about SaaS and getting to the cloud.
I know that you guys have a tight relationship with AWS, with us, and thank you for that. But some of what you describe, Henry, do we help them kind of in the realm of compliance and GDPR and those kinds of things get that job done?
Yeah, absolutely. And since they're built on AWS as a SaaS solution, they get to take advantage of a lot of the compliance and security programs that we work with on AWS, so they can help them be GDPR compliant and compliant with PCI and other regulations. And I work with the Druva team to help them to utilize the services and the features in the best way to help them to meet those requirements for customers.
And so you're an SA, a solutions architect, and so Stephen, from your vantage point, it's Henry's job to focus on kind of what's the latest and greatest from AWS and how it might sort of plug into what you guys do. But how does that help you guys focus your business and your efforts?
I think the best thing is, when Henry comes along and brings ideas to us, he doesn't just throw it, hey, here's a new idea. He understands the context of what we're trying to do so that the ideas come in, this could help you in this area in this way. And so it's not just spaghetti on a wall, it really is something valuable that lets us accelerate and immediately adopt the new Amazon and AWS technologies to do great things for our customers.
Right, so the right services, the right technologies at the right time, honestly.
You got it.
Right?